Good morning, this is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax here in Stuart, Florida. Today we're going to take you through a 2024 Scout 195 Sportfish. Amazing looking boat with a ton of upgrades. We have the shark gray hull sides with the upgraded T-top with a rocket launcher up above. For engine power, we have a Mercury 150 on the back. You'll note a nice swim platform for boarding here in the stern on the port side. As we walk into the boat, you'll notice Scout does an amazing job of building a 19-footer that makes the whole family happy. So starting here in the cockpit, we have a ton of fishing space. Really high freeboard for a 19-footer with bolsters. That's something you don't see too often. And you'll see that freeboard continues to rise as you go forward up to the bow to create a really nice ride for your intercoastal days and even nice offshore days. For fishing features, we have a couple rod holders, a nice live well underneath the leaning post. With that said, after your day of fishing, when you take the family out, we have great seating arrangements. So we have bucket seats off to port and starboard side, a nice leaning post. And you'll notice you're really well protected. So this boat does have the upgraded isinglass package. A nice dash with Mercury tachometers, Mercury throttle, Fusion audio, a nice inductive charging port for your phone. As we walk into the bow, the comforts do not stop. So we have a great bow lounge with a backrest, anchor locker. A nice seat here in front of the console with a cooler underneath. So overall, a well-packaged boat to please the entire family. We'd love to show you this boat in person, tell you a little bit more. Please give us a call at MarineMax Stuart. Again, my name is Brian McGlenn, 772-287-4495. Thank you very much.